Good evening, my beautiful people. So y'all know every Monday I bring to y'all my profits that I made from trading this strategy. I bring my profits to you guys. I trade in my Play Money account, and that is the account that I showcase my profits. Y'all know I got 8 different accounts. The number went up, okay? How I trade is each of my accounts have its own, I always get stuck on this word, I don't know why. But it has its own, like, agenda, okay? Like, I got the bill account. Okay, I got the baby fund account, I got my long-term account, I got my retirement account, I got my Play Monies accounts. And so, I'm bringing to you guys what I've traded today and all that good stuff. If you are new here, because these videos are more so for my students, my current students, my past students, my future students. If you are new here, give me an opportunity to introduce myself. My name is Paris Smith, and I was able to retire myself from the 9-to-5 at 24 years old. I did it through trading this very strategy that I'm about to talk about today. And so, to give you a quick little rundown, I don't trade with charts. I don't day trade. I don't sit in front of the screen all day. None of that. This trading strategy is based off of fundamentals only, and I trade only boring stocks. Only the stocks that are less volatile, I guess you could say. And so this trading strategy brings in a consistent income every single week, whether you want to trade weekly, bi-weekly, once a month, whatever your strategy is. I like to trade every single week. Perfect for beginners. If you are interested in learning the strategy, I am having a free stock trading masterclass coming up this week. The link is in the description. The time and all the information, the date and the time will be there in that link. So go ahead and register, and I'll see you there. But anyways, let's get to the video. Okay, so let me just go. Y'all know I don't be preparing like that for my videos, so I gotta go look and see how much I made. So y'all know I told y'all last week that I've been trading the stock RKLB, and I've been trading RKLB for months now, since April. And RKLB is just, we're not working out together no more. And I tell you why. Y'all know I'm a very low risk trader. I trade the boring stocks. Now all of my accounts, except my Play Money account. My Play Money account, I can play around, right? I can have fun. I can trade stocks with no dividend. Like, it has the fundamentals, we good. But it's still a rocky ride because it moves fast, right? Now, for this strategy, you want the most boring stock. You want stocks with fundamentals, stuff like that. Of course, if you have a little skin in the game, you can trade stocks with, that's volatile but has the fundamentals. So that's what I was doing. Uncle Donnie was acting up earlier this year and had the market take a dive. So I picked up some contracts at, like, I don't even know, $15, $16, $17, I don't know. And so I ended up with 11 contracts, traded 10 contracts, went to 9 contracts, 8 contracts. The reason why is because the price of this stock is now almost $70. Okay. Wild. Like, this is probably the most wildest stock I've ever traded. And I know a lot of my students watch my videos, and y'all be trying to trade RKLB. I told y'all, don't be doing what I'm doing. Okay? Unless you've been trading for like a year. Okay? You know what you're doing. But if you're a beginner, y'all know, okay? That's all I'm gonna say. Y'all know what we talk about. But anyways, let's get to it. So, my profit, hold on, let me go to my notes real quick. Hold on. Okay, my profit from this trade was $1,090.44. not gonna lie to you. I love RKLB because of the premiums. When I first started trading it, when it was at the low 20s and all that, premium was popping. You hear me? But now that it's like really pricey and it moves, now that it's higher, the higher it goes, the more it moves, like it swings in price. I ain't with it. Okay, I'm not with it. Especially because my play money account, this is the only stock that I'm trading. So it's like that risk management ain't there. And why would I do that with a stock with no dividend? So, and y'all know I've been trading 2 different companies. But anyway, I traded 3 contracts this morning. My investment was about $20,000. And yeah, so those of you who are new here, how it works is the cover call strategy is the trading strategy that I trade. You invest, you put in your initial investment, let's say $20,000, and every single week that you trade, you produce a profit, and the profit is consistent. The profit, you could figure out what you're making before even submitting the trade. It's a really cool low risk strategy that not a lot of people know about. So I'm gonna wake you up. Okay, I'm gonna wake you up, especially if you don't like day trading and you don't like them swing trades and them forex and them charts and them indicators. It's beautiful on this side. You hear me? Beautiful on this side. We don't stress, okay, at all. This morning, let me tell y'all something. I'm not gonna lie to you. It may not look like it because I'm really passionate right now. But I woke up on the wrong side of bed. And y'all, some of y'all know my story. I had a whole flashback this morning because I didn't sleep last night because I was up trying to get my blood sugars together. It was high, it was low, it was high, it was low consistently, and it was not stabilizing. So last night was the worst night. And so I was up with feeling all the symptoms. I couldn't sleep. And I was just like, yo, it is 4 o'clock in the morning right now. If I was working a 9 to 5, I would have to get up at 5. Leave at 6 o'clock to make it to work at 7:30. That was how that was my little schedule. And going to work sick as a dog. So I woke up this morning. I said, "Ooh, it's Money Making Monday." And y'all know today is a holiday, but the market was open. The bonds market is closed, but the stock market is open today. So I got to make my trades, and I was in bed. When I say so weak, when I say no energy, when I say like I wanted to cry so bad, and it was like 11:30 this morning, almost 12, and I never wake up that late, and I was feeling so sick because of what I went through last night, and I also didn't sleep, and it was just so much going on. Like mentally, I'm exhausted. And I was just like, yo, I'm so grateful that I don't have to get up and struggle and work, be on my feet all day and just work. I want to be in my bed. I want to relax. I want to recover. And the fact that I made almost $1,100 just from one of my accounts, I said, oh my God, like I feel so blessed. I feel so grateful. I am so happy. I feel so good. Who is calling me? Because first of all, I'm not about to answer. Okay? Okay. I'll respond when I'm ready. Be calling me. Let me stop, y'all. Let me stop. But anyway, so that's how much I made today. RKLB is on the chopping block, okay? I will not be trading RKLB, well, all these contracts. I'm not going to be trading RKLB. I might trade like one, because it's fun. But I have two new stocks that I'm eyeing right now. I'm not going to tell y'all what it is yet until I start trading it. And again, if you're my students, y'all don't be trading what I'm trading, okay? I told y'all. First of all, I'm not a financial advisor, okay? Don't be following me what I be doing. I'm just telling y'all what I'm doing because it's fun. And I want y'all to see that the profit be profiting, and I don't got to do nothing but press my fingers. That take less than 30 seconds. Like a minute. And I just want to share, right? But y'all students, y'all know how to find stocks with fundamentals and all that good stuff. I don't even have to, teach y'all that. My peoples know. So if I can find good stocks, y'all can find good stocks. I got so many of them. Y'all can do the same thing. We talk about it all the time. But anyways, so RKLB is on the chopping block. I'm only going to trade maybe one contract a week just because it's fun. I have 2 other stocks that I'm looking at. What else? And I'm also going to do these new companies all have a dividend. So it's like really boring. Like all my other stocks offers a dividend in all of my other accounts because I'm a very conservative trader. When I say this trading strategy is the most boring strategy ever. That's why I want to trade a little stock with no dividend because a little fun, get a little fun. These stocks with with dividends, absolutely boring. But I will say that it's like the best money ever. That's what you want. You want boring money. Because it's stable, it's low risk, the premium don't move, it's just great. Stock price stable, it doesn't shoot up all crazy. And so I'm going to start treating this account conservative as well. So I might do like 2 companies with dividends, 1 company without a dividend for a little fun. And then just building up my account. Because y'all know last week I told y'all I was spending the money from all my profits because of all the things I had to pay for the baby shower. I don't have to pay for the baby shower stuff no more. So I don't know what I'm gonna do. I might cover call trade, take the profits, put into my long-term stock account, my long-term portfolio, or take my cover call profits and just don't spend it, stack it, and buy more contracts to increase my income. I could do that. It's so many different things I could do. So I just gotta figure out like what is it that I want to do, But I'll figure it out. This account is not that type of account. I'm gonna switch it up every week. If I want to not spend the money this week, I'm not gonna spend it. If I want to put in long term next week, I'm gonna do it. If I want to spend the money, I'm gonna do it. So that's the purpose of this account. But anyways, that was my profits this week. It was a very fun 1 minute sitting there trading. And then I just rest in bed or whatever. But I'm about to go ahead and get my tail in the house. The only reason why I'm even out here is because I had to pick up something from Walgreens. But I'm taking my tail back in this house because I knew if I was to go back in this house without recording this video, y'all was going to get a video with me in a bonnet. Okay, I ain't trying to do too many bonnet videos, but right now, y'all might be getting some bonnet videos. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, I'm tired. Okay, let me stop. All right, y'all. Let me end the video. If you're interested in learning about this strategy in more depth, like the fundamentals you need to understand before picking a stock, a low risk stock, how the whole strategy even works from start to finish, and how I fired my boss at 24 years old, I need to see you at my next free stock trading masterclass. It's absolutely free, and we're gonna have a ball, good time. You're gonna learn a whole lot, so please bring a really good notebook, have a sharp pencil ready, because I'm about to wake you up. Okay, anyways, I got to go.